How to turn off Hibernate on Windows. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to turn off the Hibernate option on your PC. The very first option is to go ahead and open up your Run dialog box and then simply hit Windows plus R to open it up and then search for Control Panel. And once you search for Control Panel, hit Enter. Now your control panel will open up like this. Click on the View by option and then make sure to select large or small icons. Scroll down until you find this option called Power Options. So go ahead and click on Power Options. And then from here, choose what the power buttons do. So click on this. And then from here, you'll find the Hibernate option. But as you can see, it's grayed out right now. So in order to access it, you first have to click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. And then make sure to turn this one off. Click on Save Changes. And then you should be good to go. Do the same for closing the lid does. Make sure it's turned off here as well. Click on Change Settings and then click on Hibernate. Make sure to turn it off. Save the changes, and you should be good to go. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.